beautiful sunset out there, Cutter.
Yeah, all I can imagine is Dr. Carter from ER. That's all I see over and over again. Another classic
Now,
show.
I think he's taken it one step further with
Just
this
a
show.
little bit, yeah. Good weather to sit inside and maybe stream a little bit. It is cold outside, a little bit of snow possible again tonight. Though right now, First Alert radar is absolutely dry. I think that'll start to change as early as 9:30 to 10, but more so after 2 o'clock in the morning. We're not talking about the squall that we had this morning, not heavy snow, no giant wind gusts with it, but yet another disturbance kind of riding our little front like a highway into Maryland. It's producing snow in Ohio right now, just enough lift to get the clouds growing and a few flakes falling overnight tonight. Though the air is so dry, more than cold enough for snow, but so dry that some of those flakes are going to dry up. They're not even going to make it all the way to the ground. That's why we're not expecting significant snow tonight, but boy, is it cold. Elkton 24, 25 Hagerstown 10 degrees, and McHenry after spending the afternoon in the teens. Hour by hour forecast model doing a good job with temperatures so far. Notice how we do have more mountain snow for Garrett County yet again, and some of this spilling over after midnight into Washington County, western and northwestern portions of Frederick County. It'll then expand eastward, kind of right along I-70 into Baltimore County as well, and then in the northeast Maryland, Hartford and Cecil counties with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and a cloudy sky. By the time most folks are starting to get out the door tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., I think we're mostly done. Probably still a few flurries around. A dusting is possible, much like this morning, but we're not expecting any huge travel problems, though possibly slicker travel there in western Garrett County. On top of the several inches of snow and 50-mile-an-hour winds yesterday, another inch possible along with a glaze of ice. So tricky travel, I-68 once again in Garrett County. Hour-by-hour forecast again for Baltimore after midnight through about 4 o'clock in the morning. Flurries, temperatures in the mid-20s. Could be that dusting on the tops of the cars, the windshields, the roofs, places like that. Tomorrow we're a little warmer, back in the upper 20s by 9 a.m., back above freezing finally by 11 o'clock in the morning. And of course, it's the Friday after the new year. A lot of folks have the day off. If you're maybe taking the time to enjoy a meal with a loved one, below freezing brunch time mid-morning. We're back up into the mid to upper 30s briefly. And then for dinner plans, cold and clear, but also a little calmer tomorrow evening. 35 your high in Westminster, the same in Elkton. 37 Easton, Stevensville, getting into Queen Anne's, Kent counties in the mid to upper 30s. D.C. suburbs, Prince George's County, upper 30s, 35 in Hagerstown. So get outside, enjoy tomorrow, a little bit more comfortable than today. Saturday, most of the day is dry, though we're watching a storm system to our south. It is possible that yet again we could have some flurries and light snow Saturday evening and early Sunday morning. That chance is greatest south of Route 50. Something we're watching. We'll keep you updated. There's a warm up though, upper 40s, maybe 50 finally. Wow. Comes with some rain, but we need to wash all that salt off the roads at this point as we get into the middle of next week.
All right.
Yeah.
I like the warm up. Thanks, Cutter.